graduated in 1979, so there have been lots of changes to the university. First and foremost, its stature on the world stage in terms of ranking. And Jennifer, you can correct me if I'm wrong. I believe we're now 17th, somewhere around there. The highest ranking university in Canada. And I was quite surprised, even above the University of Beijing. But I'm sure that's something that fluctuates with time. So I've been happy to be the principal of Toronto eSchool since the summer of 2018. We've seen phenomenal growth and many partnerships with colleges and universities across Ontario. And the other thing that I'd like to mention is I've tried to give back to the University of Toronto. I'm now a board member of the, what's the correct acronym? UTSCAA, the University of Toronto Scarborough College Alumni Association. So I'm very enthusiastic about that as another one of my many volunteer assignments. So welcome to all the Chinese parents. I had a wonderful interview.
And students from Malaysia, from Brazil, from other countries as well.
Fantastic. We welcome you all. We've got fantastic teachers. I really shouldn't be doing a selling feature. Almost all of our teachers are Ontario College of Teachers certified, as am I. And we look forward to servicing everyone to the best of our ability. So, without further ado, I just got home. I'm starved. I think I'm going to go and eat. So, it's been a long day. When you drive from Scarborough to Mississauga on the way home, it's a long drive. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you. I think so. We welcome Jennifer to share with us. So, and I'm sure so our parents and students have lots of questions to ask.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for having me here today. You can see and hear me okay? Everything's good on this end?
Yeah. Okay. So Jennifer, just give me 1 second. I translate to parents. Let them know we will do the translation during the Q&A section. Okay. 那大家好，各位家长、各位同学哈，因为今天晚上我们的招生官的话只能说英文，所以而且呢，因为多大是3个校区，又是加拿大这么有名的学校，所以的话会分享的内容很多。那我建议是先让那个 Jennifer 招生官把她的讲座分享完，然后在问答的环节，如果有家长听不懂的，我会来做一个翻译。Thank you. Welcome, Jennifer. You can start.
Wonderful. Ni hao, my name is Jenny. I am part of the recruitment team here at the University of Toronto. So in the session today, we will discuss more about the University of Toronto, and I want to give you some really key takeaways, which I'll talk about in just a moment. But to give you a sense, we're also going to talk a little bit about those admission basics and talk more about the application process. So in terms of the university, I want to give you 3 key takeaways. So the first is that University of Toronto is Canada's top research institution. The second takeaway is that UofT is a network of unique communities in the heart of one of the most dynamic regions in the world. And the third takeaway is that our UofT students can mix and match both programs and experiences to really personalize and build their own degree. Everything I'm going to talk to you today about will reflect those 3 key takeaways. So let's get started with that first. The University of Toronto is Canada's best university. As Principal Dan was saying, we are ranked in the top 20 in the world, and we're known for excellence in our academics, our faculty, and our research. The university, of course, is not just Canada's best university, but we're actually one of the best universities in the world. And why I think that matters to you as a student is that you can be assured that your degree can go anywhere after graduation. The UofT diploma is a globally recognized mark of quality, of versatility, and a big reason of why we have alumni living and working in over 190 countries around the world.